Using the Thrustmaster T80 Ferrari on a PC isn't as simple as just plugging it in, but with a few steps you can get it working properly. First, make sure the wheel is set to PS3 mode instead of PS4, as this is necessary for compatibility with a PC. Then, connect it via USB and allow Windows to recognize it if it doesn't show up automatically. You may need to download and install the Thrustmaster drivers from their official website. Once installed, go to your PC's devices and printers settings, find the T80 and check its properties to ensure all inputs are responding correctly. Some games might not detect the wheel right away, so you may have to manually configure the controls in the game settings or use third-party software, like X360, to map the inputs properly. Keep in mind that the T80 lacks force feedback and uses a simple bungee cord resistance system, so while it works for casual racing, it may not provide the same precision as higher-end wheels. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to use the Thrustmaster T80 Ferrari on your PC without issues. But compatibility varies by game, so be prepared to tweak settings as needed.